And big request Unstoppable TV. Scene.
The first thing I want to say right now is, I want to say condolences to the family of the girl, the dancer girl who lose her life. I want to get that part out of the way first. But then me I go say this. A long time me I say to myself, say, I bet you, one of them people here will call themselves dancer, I go lose them life that way. Long time me I say that, you know. Long time me I say, I bet you one of them people here will call themselves dancer, I go lose them life that way there. And see there, it happen. Now, we not say it's a good thing that it happened because we're not glad to see nobody pass away, we're not glad to see nobody dead. But my thing is, people, where the real dancing there in a dance hall? Where the real dancing there in a dance hall? A long time me I wonder, yo, what them things where them a do in a dance hall? You see it? Back in the day, you know, we can remember when time people are dance. When you go in a dance hall, you see the real dancer, them a dance, you see some real choreographed moves, some real choreographed step where them a dancing, timing with the music and everything, and me I say, yes. And this you call dancing. And you could actually be entertained by the moves them with the dancer them a do. Nowadays, no dancing in a dance hall. I mean, nobody feel like me a pinpoint, nobody specific. I mean, I call nobody name in the life what me a do. You understand? Me I say, me just address this. You see it? But a years now, me a pray where I go and me I say, yo, what am I doing in a dance hall and a dancing, a total garbage? What is a man climbing up in a tree? See it? What is a man climbing up in a tree and swing off on a branch and jump in between a woman's foot? A dancing that? And a dancing that? That not they nowhere near dancing. See it? The worst thing me see videos that come out where people, woman, a pick up building block and a beat on her front. A dancing that? Which part of that a dancing? See it? Me see people, I get matches. A lighter, a pour gas on them front, and I light it. A dancing that? Which part of that a dancing? See? The next thing when me see, man a wrap up woman in a chapel and I run up and down with them. And yo, a total foolishness them a go on with in a dance hall. So long time me I say, yo, me know say the day I go come when one of them would have lose them life. And it just sad that the day actually coming up. But me did know say that day you go come long time. You understand? Them are not a dancer. Warm to the days when time people could have do real choreographed move. And you know what I'm going to tell you something. You know say you still have people in a Jamaica where actually do good dancing. You actually have groups in a Jamaica where do nice choreographed steps, you know. But them not get no limelight, them not get no recognition. Only the one them where do some fool antics, a climb up on rooftop and a jump off a rooftop and all these things. And them a get the spotlight. Why? Why? Because what? It look like say a madness alone working at this day and age. If you do good things now go take off. But as soon as you come with some little fool antics, some little things when don't make sense, at them time the people recognize you, at them time the people see you. See it? Now, I'm gonna say this. Me see one heap of people attack and say, yo, the girl who did an attempt to do the dance move with her, when she's supposed to actually run and jump over her, well, the girl like this, and she's supposed to run and jump over in between her legs, right? She never do the move right, and as so come, the incident go down. Now, whole heap of people are speculating and say, yo, she might get charged. Whole heap of people are say, she not get charged because it's an accident. But, me I go say this. Yes, it's an accident, right? But, I guarantee you, know, you gonna have a certain police in a Jamaica way don't like dancehall, don't like the things them where them do in a dancehall. I go draw up and say, yo, we need to make an example out of one of them. Draw for she, make we use she as the example so that them can learn, say, yo, them need to stop do them foolishness there in a dancehall. Now, me personally don't want the girl to get dry in, you know. But I'm telling you, you know it already when time them want to make an example. And this right here so is the opportunity for them make an example out of somebody. Now multiple videos are circulate on social media where people are say, yo, the girl nothing get charged because it's an accident. Even she herself come out and say she never ever try to kill her friend. People are bash her and say, yo, she killed the girl and all these things. At the end of the day, in all this a life lost, you know. You understand? A life lost at the end of the day. But people, believe me. Believe me when I tell you this. We want to see some real dance moves in a dance hall, no little foolishness. You understand? We want to see real choreographed dancers in a dance hall. But what is running and climbing up in a tree and jumping between a woman's leg? What is woman I use building block and a bash her front? What do man do? I run up and down and I jump off a rooftop and all them things there. And I entertainment that to the fans. You see what I say? So, as me say, me know say a long time something like this did a go happen. You get me? Long time something like this did a go happen, you know. But it was just a matter of time because more time I pray. Me can't remember a while but me do a video and I watch it and I say, yo, if I this them call dancing, me no want to learn for dance. Man, I wrap up woman in a chop all and I run up and down with her and I chew her up and car tap and all them things there and I run and jump in between her leg and yo. Where the entertainment then at that? Why is it that the real talented dancer them in a Jamaica now get the exposure where them forget? Because of foolishness alone get recognized. Foolishness alone get recognized. You see what I say? Now as me say, me don't want the girl get charged. Me personally don't want she get charged. But a whole heap of people say, them might make an example out of her. Right? And it just sad for say the girl lose her life the way she lose her life. But me just hope say, me personally I hope say, couple people who in the dancing world, as them call it, the girl them who in the dancing world, look on that and say, yeah, hear me that stunt them, me not do it no more, you know, because that, me use that and mark that. Me just hope say them look on it and say, yo, even if them used to do it, them just decide say them nah do that no more. And me nah not the girl who invent the dance move neither. This is not what me I do. Me nah bash the girl who create the dance move neither. Because I'm quite sure that she know how to do it correctly. Because me see a statement come out where she has say, yo, she just want her fellow co-workers them, when them a do the dance, to make sure say them do it correctly and safely. So me nah bash she neither. But at the end of the day, the people in a dance hall where call themselves dancers and nah do real choreographed dance steps and dance move and thing, need to try and figure out what is actually dancing. You see me? I can never be a fan of a dancer, or yo, me should even call them dancers as a matter of fact. I can never be a fan of somebody we call themselves dancers, we run and climb up in a tree and drag up woman from one tree branch and catch her up. See it? Yo, what do you watch a video as a matter of fact? One come cross me right just up on Instagram. Right? Where a brother I run with one girl, catch her upon the edge of one staircase. And the girl almost go over and pop her neck too. Me don't know if you see it. Catch the girl upon the edge of the railing, you know. See it? And when time I watch it and the girl almost drop me, say, watch it. Look how easy him could have catch a murder case. If the girl did slip and drop, I grab him off and grab her back. See it? And a them thing of them call dancing, Susie to go on. Them thing of them call dancing, which is a total nonsense. See it? And I bet you them not go learn. Bet you them not go learn until an example gets made out of them. Bet you them not go learn until an example gets made out of one of them. Nothing no name dancing in a dance hall again. You see me? It's like the people them right now who come and call themselves dancers only mash up the real legacy where the real dancer them set. You understand what I say? mash up the real legacy where the real dancer them in a dancehall set. Right? Me can't remember the days when me used to go dance and me could have see the people them a dance and me could have stand up and say, yo, that move there bad. Yo, me like that step there. See it? And me could have said, yo, me can't do that move there, but me would like to learn it. Right now, if me go dance and see certain man who call themselves dance as a dancer, a certain girl who call themselves dance as a dance, me just stand up and I look and say, yo, anybody can climb up in a tree. Anybody can climb up on a house. Anybody can run and jump between a girl foot. Any girl can lay down on her back and open up her foot, so. I dancing that.
I'm big request Unstoppable TV. Seen?